you can be insecure all week long. As soon as you step out on stage, it's all gone. My name is Blair Simmons. I got started playing music whenever I was 17. It was when I got my first guitar. And I began singing from the time I was 5. So it's been a long time. So every day I wake up and I work in occupational therapy with the geriatric community. By night, we're on the band and we're playing shows most weekends. My musical style is country mixed with a little southern rock and a little soul. I love blues. Janis Joplin, Miranda Lambert, Eric Church, the Allman Brothers. I mean, the list goes on and on. I moved to Nashville whenever I was 17, 18 and played on the sidewalk and kind of started from the bottom, learning a little bit about everything. You know, Jackson is such a cool hub city. I hate to say hub, but it really, you know, it's such a cool city where there's so many talented artists that you don't really have to go to Nashville anymore to connect with people. There's so many talented musicians right here. It's really awesome. It's so weird. Like, I could be in front of a crowd of 1,000 people speaking and I think I would faint. But you put me out and singing and this is my element. I love it. It's definitely made me more confident in myself, which is extremely important. You know, my goal as a musician, I used to see the stars. You know, I wanted to be famous. That is what I wanted to do. But the older I got, the more I realized how cool it was to be supported by your community and be around people that care about you and just give that gift of music back to the community every weekend. So the pandemic has been, I know, terrible on so many different families and especially in healthcare that we see every day. But as a performer, you know, we had a full calendar last year that all got canceled, you know, understandably, but you know, it's just to keep everybody safe. And there's a lot of musicians out there that is their day job. I'm fortunate enough to work during the day, very blessed to have my job. And so it's been a very scary time, but we've managed to all get through it. I'm sure a lot of good songs have come out of it. I know, and a lot of my songs are about heartbreak. Not necessarily has to do with me. Some of them do. Some of them have to do with friends of mine. And you know, a lot of fun, happy songs too, because I love to have a good time and I love to be around people that are fun and uplifting and crazy like me. So the song I'm going to be doing today is called Around Here. I just wrote it a few months ago. One of my friends, again, was going through a hard time, and a song came out of it out of the blue on the patio one night, and so I just kind of flew with it. I think I wrote it in like 45 minutes, which is hardly ever happens for me, but it was pretty cool.